For best cutting performance, we advise to change your blade at the start of every season. Wearing gloves, hold the blade tightly to stop it rotating. Using a socket and ratchet or a suitable wrench, remove the blade bolt by turning anti-clockwise until the bolt can be removed. Replace the blade with a genuine LawnMaster blade. Please refer to our website to find the right blade for your mower. Install a new blade with the blade tips pointing towards the mower deck. The blade will only fit one way. The markings on the blade should be visible. If the blade is fitted upside down, grass collection will be poor. Holding the blade, tighten the blade bolt clockwise using a socket or wrench and ensure it is well tightened.